Good day everyone, I am Eileen Camsali Solano. So I will discuss the continuation topic of our groups. Number 6, Criminal Justice Correction Social Workers. So criminal justice and correction social workers, so these social workers provide support to former convicts, inmates, and their family members. So for example, nagtatrabaho sila in a correctional facility and mag-o-offer sila ng rehabilitation services para matulungan yung mga inmates na ma-reintegrate into society after their release. So they may also mediate conflicts and provide resources to address the needs of individuals involved in the criminal justice system. So for example, is a criminal justice and correction social worker ay maaari sila magtrabaho in a re-entry program. So magpro-provide sila ng counseling and job placement assistance to individuals who have been released from prison. So they may help them develop essential skills, access housing, and connect with community resources to support their successful reintegration. Number 7, disability social worker. So ano nga ba si disability social worker? So this social worker is ina-assist yung mga individuals with disabilities and also their families to provide a support and connecting them with resources. So for example nito is they may work with parents of children with disabilities through educating them about their legal rights and para tulungan sila na ma-access yung appropriate services and accommodations. Number 8 is medical social worker. So yung mga social worker na ito is sila yung sumusuport sa mga individuals na may mga medical challenges para tulungan silang mag-navigate sa healthcare system. So pwede sila magtrabaho sa mga hospitals, coordinating services, and para ma-provide yung emotional support to patients and their families. Number 9 is hospice and palliative care social worker. So this social worker is nagpo-provide sila ng support sa mga patients na may mga malulubhang karamdaman or yung tinatawag nating terminal illnesses. So kasali na dito yung mga families ng mga may mga malulubhang karamdaman. So naka-focus sila sa ensuring comfort, emotional well-being, and access sa mga needs during end-of-life care. Number 10 is mental health social workers. So, yung mga social worker na ito is sila yung mga specialista in supporting individuals na may mga karamdaman sa pag-iisip tulad ng depression, yung post-traumatic stress disorder, bipolar disorder, and yung mga eating disorder. So, nagpo-provide sila ng counseling, coordinate care plans, and also connect clients with appropriate resources and treatment options. So, Number 11 is military and veteran social workers. So, ito yung mga professionals who help military personnel and veterans transition from military to civilian life. So, for example, social workers may assist a veteran in finding a job or housing, or tulungan sila sa process na pag-apply ng mga beneficiaries mula sa governments. So, bukod sa financial support is yung mga military and veteran social worker is nagpo-provide din sila ng mental health support. For example, they may offer counseling services to help clients na ma-cope yung challenges to transitioning to civilian life or provide therapy to address mental health conditions.